Hi farmers, welcome to day number 25, and today we'll be looking at immunity is built daily, not by vaccines alone. There's a common thought that you have as farmers. Vaccines prepare the bird, but management protects the bird. When the birds leave the hatchery, they come pre-vaccinated, and our duty is to manage that no illness, no bacteria affects the bird. And by day 25, if our daily basics are wrong, diseases starts knocking, and even if the birds or the flock is vaccinated, you will have a increase in mortality. Number one as to why I say immunity is built daily. Vaccines don't work in stressed birds. If birds receive stress from heat, if they receive stress from overcrowding, if there's stress from dirty water, if there's stress from wet litter, that weakens the immunity, and a stressed bird cannot respond properly to vaccines because the damage would have already been done. Damage control in birds starts early. You don't do repair, it's more of a maintenance kind of job. Number two, poor hygiene invites disease. By this stage, droppings will increase, moisture builds up, and bacteria will surely multiply. And if your hygiene is poor, the birds will have the following challenges. Birds' immune systems will be weakened simply because of the daily maintenance of your hygiene, of the hygiene of your coop. Number two is that birds' growth will be slow even without visible sickness. And this you will see as the birds grow from day 25 going onwards. You realize that no, there's a sort of an imbalance here with how the birds are performing, how the birds are responding to the feed and water. Number three, small signs mean immunity is struggling. How? You should watch out for dull feathers, slight diarrhea, uneven growth, and birds resting more. These are early warnings that are signs that point to your birds not being normal. Number four, antibiotics don't fix bad management. Medicine may reduce the symptoms, it may delay the loss or the death of birds, but it doesn't fix stress, it doesn't improve growth. What it does is also cost you money. So clean management is cheaper and more effective. Number five, healthy birds grow consistently. Strong immunity means better feed conversion, lower mortality rate, more uniform birds will grow, and a higher final weight, which equals to a health in equal profits. So how does this affect our pockets as farmers? Is weak immunity causes slower growth, weak immunity causes higher medicine costs, weak immunity causes loss at selling price, weak immunity also results in customer complaining, these birds look weak, these birds look tired, these birds look sick, etc. So the list goes on from the customer's complaints. And remember, once one customer complains, surely your reputation is now threading on the lines of success or failure. So what do we do as farmers on day number 25? We should consistently keep water clean and fresh. We should ensure that we remove any wet litter. We should ensure that we have improved airflow and also remove any stress causing factors such as heat, such as overcrowding, such as wet litter, etc. And also, today number 25, observe your birds closely every day. Spend some time in your coop. Don't just do it in and out where you give them feed and clean their water, but spend some time and observe how they behave, interact, which ones are bigger, which ones are smaller. You get to learn your birds on a one-on-one basis. And as a final thought, vaccines help, but management decides if your cycle is a success or not. I created a Broiler's Gems, which is a booklet that goes into detail with more information such as this. And if you want to make a success of your next cycle, I would suggest that you invest in that so that your next cycle becomes a profitable cycle. See you on day number 26.